Hey friends, it's me, Queen Bee. I'm here in Chicago in my hotel room getting ready for the International Motorcycle Shows outdoors tomorrow. But what I'm really excited for this evening is that I have received a care package from BadAss Helmet Bows, BrittBraap. She sent me one of her bows to try out, to take a look at, and to see what they're all about. She's launching on September 3rd, and when she asked if I would be interested, I said sure. It's not something that I had ever considered before, but always down for supporting women entrepreneurs. And I love being girly sometimes, so why not? I'm gonna give it a shot, right? BrittBraap makes these from scratch. She 3D prints them and then finishes them by hand. So I have no idea which bow she sent me, so I'm super excited to open this care package and see what it's all about. This is the first unboxing video I've ever done, so bear with me. I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's get into it. That's what they say on YouTube, right? This is really hard to do. I mean, like, for real. Okay. Ooh. Hello there, beautiful badass. All right, let's see what this says. Hey you, yeah you, the one who embraces your inner badass and laughs at the face of danger. Yeah you, the one who lifts up all women interested in motorcycles. Yeah, you, the beautiful, powerful woman looking to embrace your unique style and badassery. You are amazing. Thank you for supporting our vision to support women in motorsports. Flip over this card for a QR code to watch an application video. Let's not be like our male counterparts and skip the directions, okay? Ooh, all right, cool. I'm going to do that later for sure. All right, so next step, looks like I have to read this before continuing. Okay, so I'm gonna try and film myself while reading this out loud. We'll see how it goes. Dear Brittany, thank you so much for participating in the BRAP Nation pre-launch PR event. I hope you love your helmet bow as much as I do. BRAP Nation LLC is all about opening up conversations with women interested in joining the motorcycle community, or encouraging women wanting to progress their skills on 2 or 3 wheels. Throughout the year, we will be donating motorcycle track day gift cards and basic riders education courses, plus free bows, to raffle off at events in the Southeast. I personally hope our philanthropic outreach will have the ability to grow greater than we can imagine. Our helmet bows start at $44.95. The helmet bow you are receiving is a custom designed bow. She retails for $78.99 and will be available for purchase on badasshelmetbows.com on September 3rd at 7:30 p.m. The included keychain will also be sold on our website for $5.95, but will be gifted to our first 20 customers. Our helmet bows come with a 1-year limited warranty, so please be sure to register your accessory using the included warranty card. Otherwise, the warranty is not valid. Please continue your unboxing and keep being a beautiful badass. Okay, let's keep opening. Okay, time to open this, and that's really cool. I like that too. Alrighty. One-handed opening. I've never seen what's in here before. I feel like the people on YouTube who do this for a living have a camera stand, so they don't have to do all this stuff one-handed. And you can also see their faces, so my bad that I'm not that. Oh, ooh! All right, I want to look at this stuff real quick because the bow is obviously the finale. Okay, so here's the keychain. That is going to be free to the first 20 customers. Well, that's cute as shit. Yes. Sparkles. I really like this. All right. Gummy bears. These are actually my favorite candy, so that's perfect. Did you guys know that the green gold bears are actually the flavor of strawberry? Don't believe me? Look at it. Strawberry. Haha. That's why they're so delicious. How did you know, BrittBraap? How did you know? Okay, so I assume this is for mounting it on my helmet. Use this alcohol pad to clean before applying your 3M dual lock strip. You got this. I got this. This is how a live unboxing video goes. All right. Let's try not to drop everything on camera. There is my warranty card, which I do later. That's beautimous. All right, that's a cool business card, girl. A sticker. And another sticker. Okay, now what everyone's been waiting for, and me too, of course, the bubble wrap. Just kidding. The bow. Time for the bow. I have no idea what this is. It's custom designed, she said. I'm so nervous. Why should I be nervous? Yes, because I'm opening it one-handed and it's going to fall on the floor. That's why I'm nervous. What the hell is wrong with me? Oh, there we go. Okay. Bum-ba-na-na. Oh, of course it's... It's wrapped up in a way that I probably can't even open this with one hand. Let's try. BrittBraap, please don't hate me for this. Okay, I gotta do this with two hands. I'll be right back. You guys, I can only see the corner and I'm already like super stoked because I see honeycomb and I see pink and I see spikes. And oh my god, there's a bee on it. Oh my god! BrittBraap, that's just phenomenal. Queen bee badass helmet bow. That's just awesome. And that's where it mounts. I have no words. There's boob showing. I don't even know what else to say except that it's absolutely phenomenal. I am way stoked for this. It is... I have no idea what I was expecting because I didn't know what to expect, of course, but this is really special. I love it so much. Thank you so much.